Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 3 from the book Science Square. Chapter 5, Birds, Feathers, Beaks and Claws. In this chapter, we are going to study about characteristics of birds, its feathers, beaks and claws. Let us begin the chapter. We know that birds are beautiful animals that can fly. Birds range in size from small bee to big ostrich, which can grow to 9 feet tall. Birds are social animals which participate in social behaviors such as working together in breeding, flocking, hunting, and mobbing predators. They communicate using songs and calls. They can communicate by using visual signals such as quickly flapping their wings. So, birds are social animals which has to be kept in your mind. Their communication through visual signals, songs and calls. Let us discuss the characteristics of birds. Though there are many varieties of birds, they can distinguish with each other. Their body is divided into three parts, namely head, trunk, tail. They have two pairs of limbs, that is, legs and wings. Their wings are covered with feathers, which is used for flying. The mouth of the bird is called beak, as they don't have teeth. Apart from this, the birds also have claws and toes in their legs. Feathers. Feathers of a bird help them to fly. Birds have three kinds of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Flight feathers, you can see it is long and it is used for flying. Down feathers are soft and light. It keeps the bird warm. Body feathers covers the body and gives the bird its shape. How do you think the birds fly? When a bird gets ready to fly, it flaps its wings to push through the air and rises up slowly into the air. Its light body helps it to take off easily. Once it is in air, a bird uses its tail to change the direction. The wings move up in two special ways, that is, upstroke and downstroke. Flightless birds. There are some birds which fly high and long, while there are some birds which fly only for a low and short distances. There are some birds which cannot fly at all, though they have wings, though they are named as birds, but they move on land with the help of legs. Such types of birds are called flightless birds. Example: penguin, kiwi, ostrich, and emu. Beaks. All birds have beaks instead of mouth. They have no teeth. Birds use their beaks to pick up, cut, open, tear, crush, or chisel the food. Their beaks help them to build their nest and fight their enemies. Different kinds of birds will have beaks of different shapes. Claws. A bird has two legs. Each leg has four toes. Mostly three toes are pointing forward and one shorter toe pointing backwards. You can see the picture. A bird is having two legs, with one leg will be having four toes. You can see the four toes. Three will be pointing in the front and only one will be at the back. At the tip of the toe, you can see it is a nail. I will call it as a claw. Shapes and sizes of these toes will differ in different birds. Birds uses their toes or claws to do perching, climbing, swimming, catching prey, wading, etc. Let us have a chapter recap. Flight feathers form the wings and the tail of the birds. A boat-shaped, light body, wings, strong flight muscles, and a tail for changing the direction help the birds to fly. Some birds fly high and long, while others low and short distances. Some birds, like penguins, ostrich, and kiwi, cannot fly at all. Birds have no teeth. They have beaks to catch and eat food. Birds use claws to catch food or to walk about. This ends the chapter.